Welcome to Best Products Review. Click subscribe and press the bell icon to get updates. Dear friends, are you looking for Sous Vide cooker? Now we will see top 5 Sous Vide cooker from Amazon and AliExpress. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click in the bell icon. Anova Culinary AN500 US00 Sous Vide cooker. Total order of this Sous Vide cooker is 3,442 and people put 4.7 out of 5 review on it. Specifications: material, plastic plus stainless steel. Flow rate, 8 liters per minute. Lifetime, up to 5,000 hours. Perfect result every time. BioloMix 3rd generation Sous Vide cooker. Total order of this Sous Vide cooker is 2,087 and people put 4.8 out of 5 review on it. Specifications: user-friendly smart button, 360-degree water circulation, PTC temperature control, safe and fast. Please like, comment and subscribe. Just by LCD Touch Sous Vide cooker. Total order of this Sous Vide cooker is 1,368 and people put 4.9 out of 5 review on it. Specifications: stainless steel body. Perfect result every time. Precise temperature control. Precise time controlled. AUGIENB LCD display Sous Vide cooker. Total order of this Sous Vide cooker is 359 and people put 4.9 out of 5 review on it. Specifications: precise time control. Precise temperature control. Show perfect result. Low temperature slow cooking. Instant Accu Slim Sous Vide. Total order of this Sous Vide cooker is 2,590 and people put 4.8 out of 5 review on it. Specifications: adjustable controlled, active pump system, multi-cooking function. Create quality dishes. Check the description box for more information about the product. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button for more.